Hey y'all, it's Miss Norton. Today we are going to be reviewing addition and subtraction. I have these cute little posters here. This is Linus the minus sign. And whenever you see Linus the minus, that means we take away or minus or subtract from that whole number. Okay? When you see Linus the minus, you're going to cross out, or my class says chop, because it kind of looks like a karate chop. You are going to chop away however many he tells you. He likes to take away from that whole number. So for example, I had 5 hearts. Don't mind the X's, just look at the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Linus the minus came and he took 2 hearts from me. Let's chop away 2 hearts. 1, 2. Now, however many I have left goes behind my equal sign. So let's count how many he has left. 1, 2, 3 equals 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. That is Linus the minus. So whenever you see him in the middle of your equation, you need to take away. Now we have Gus the plus. Look how happy he is. He's so happy because he joins things together. He adds them. Plus and equals and in all and sum. Okay? So whenever you see Gus the plus in the middle of your equation, you are going to take 2 parts, add them together to get one whole. Okay? Part, whole. So instead, I had 3 hearts, 1, 2, 3, and my friend gave me 2 more, 1, 2. Then I add them all together to see how many in all I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 hearts. Now, I have some equations that I have written down on my board. And the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out if I am taking away or minus, subtract, or if I'm going to add, because it can be a little tricky, especially when it's all mixed in. Okay, so let's look at this first one. I have 8, then I look right here at my sign. Think about, is this Linus the minus or is this Gus the plus? It is Linus the minus. And since it is Linus the minus, that means I need to take away or subtract, okay, to see what is left. There are different ways that you can do this. We have taught you so many strategies. The first strategy that you can use is your number path. Okay? If you choose to use a number path, you would start at that first number. So I'd start at number 8. Now, depending on if it's a minus sign or a plus sign, you have to go backwards or forward. If it's a minus sign, you have to go backwards. How many times do I go backwards? 5 times. So you start at 8 and you're going to go back 5 times. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my answer will be 3. Now, if you don't have a number path at home, that's okay. That is A-okay. You can use any 10 things. 10 quarters, you can use 10 pennies, you can use 10 blocks if you have them, okay? I'm going to use 8 blocks, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, I'm going to take away how many? 5. Do I add more? No, I don't add. I take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3. So you can use anything around the house. You will need 10 of them though, because for your independent work, you'll be adding and subtracting up to 10. Now, you can use drawings. Now, this is what most of you will use because everybody can just use a pencil for this, okay? You start out with that first number, 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles, 8 hearts, 8 whatever you want. I'm going to do circles just because it's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look right here, that minus sign, you do not add any more. You don't add 5, you're going to take away or chop. So let's go ahead and take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. That's my answer. Okay. Now for my next equation, let's look in the middle. Because I'm seeing that it's not the same. I'm seeing that we have my favorite sign, Gus the plus, because he just brings everybody together. So, again, you can still use your number path if you want to. You still start at this first number, but since you have Gus the plus, you're going to move on forward. We're going to move forward 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I have my answer. If you want to use your blocks or bears, quarters or pennies, you'll need up to 10, but you have to look at your first number to see how many you need to get out. I need to get out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, am I going to take away 3 or am I going to add 3? Yes, I'm going to add 3. They're going to join their other friends. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. And then I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, a way that you can do it is also by using pictures. This time I'm going to do hearts. I'm going to start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, I'm not going to cross these hearts out because Gus the plus joins them together. 3 more hearts. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A balloon on a line is the number 9. Okay? So, now you're going to try to do some independently. Let me grab my paper. All right, here you go. It says, addition and subtraction mixed review. Solve the addition or subtraction equation. Use a strategy that we learned. So we learned the number path, or reviewed the number path. You can use, this is a math toolkit. Now you probably don't have this at home, but you can use 10. You need up to 10 blocks, up to 10 quarters, pennies, whatever. Or the easiest way for you probably at home would be to use pictures. I'm going to do the first 2 together. You can do it with me and then do the rest by yourself. And look, I'm so nice, I even gave you a number path. So there you go. Let's look at the first one. Don't let it trick you. Look at the middle sign. Am I going to add or subtract? You are going to subtract. That's that minus the minus. Okay, so I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that minus the minus is telling me he's going to take away. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 2. Around the track and back. 2, 2. Okay, now let's look at number 2. I have my favorite Gus the plus because he brings them together. Okay. I'm going to start with my first part. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My next part is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Balloon on a line is the number 9.